what do we do is after 20 and see we're going to talk about some Comic Cons are open now, available. Very cool. Also, very awesome, very cool. Subscribe to your it's good. So, some Comic Cons are available right now with all this stuff. All the pandemics, very cool. And you're gonna have to pay. Interesting, pay. Done, but yeah, very cool. So, TripCon's going to be available from July 30th, 2030th to August 1st. Very cool. No, it's up for the free. Can't be there. But New York City Con just announced their open up their badges and everything. Pretty cool. Very awesome. Guarantee. Like that. And some Comic Cons are always available. I think so. But yeah, anyways, guys, that's all I got for you today. No, so be subscribed. Check yourself out. We'll see you guys around for a new video. No, so cheers. Also, always guys, stay safe out there. As always, be awesome. Be kind whenever your comments are below. And yeah, be here to your peace now. I'll see you tomorrow. We're going to do this. See you. Peace and take care.